Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Samsung Galaxy S23. And to do this, we'll need to play some music and then cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from two sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So now let's find all of the speakers on this device. And the first one is at the bottom right here. That's a main speaker. On top there's nothing, on the sides there's also nothing, and on the back there's nothing. The second speaker is located right here, and that's a phone call speaker. Now let's try playing the music, and as I mentioned, covering each of these speakers with our fingers. So clearly sound is coming from both of the speakers, and that would confirm it. This device does have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.